Our second part in this 10-island project takes us to the Greek island of Karpathos, where we installed a new WF turbine. To reduce our footprint to the environment, we made sure that all the equipment would fit in the barge, so only one trip was required. EWT continues to make Greece a bit greener. See you soon for the other 7 islands.